You've probably promised yourself that this year would be different, that 2025 is going to be your year. But here's the truth. Unless you do something radically different, it's going to look just like the years before. So, let me ask you this. Are you tired of coasting? Of knowing deep down that you're capable of more? Because if you're ready to stop making excuses and start taking action, I've got one secret that will change the game for you. The secret isn't flashy. It isn't easy, but it works. Here it is. You need a mission, a clear, relentless purpose that you're willing to fight for. Something that makes you excited to get out of bed and terrified of wasting another day. Now, let me tell you a story. There was a time when I felt stuck. I wasn't making progress, and every day felt like a repeat of the last. But then, I realized the problem wasn't the world around me. It was me. I had no clear target, no real focus. So, I sat down and asked myself, what do I truly want? What am I willing to work for, even when it's hard? The answers didn't come all at once, but they came. And once I had them, everything changed. The first thing I did was set specific goals. Not vague ideas like I want to make more money or I want to be healthier. I wrote down clear, measurable targets: earn $10,000 more by December, or run a 5K in under 30 minutes. These goals became my compass, guiding every decision I made. Next, I took ownership. No more blaming others. No more waiting for perfect conditions. If I failed, it was on me. That's tough to swallow, but it's also empowering. Because when you own your failures, you can fix them. Here's the kicker. I also embraced failure. Not as a setback, but as a teacher. Every time I messed up, I learned something. Every mistake was a step closer to success. And yes, it's going to be hard. Some days you'll want to quit. But remember this. Progress doesn't come from comfort. It comes from doing what others won't. It comes from showing up, even when it's hard, and pushing through when it feels impossible. So, if you're ready to make 2025 the year everything changes, start here. Define your mission. Set your goals. Own your results. And most importantly, never stop moving forward. Because the world isn't waiting for you to figure it out. It's yours for the taking, if you're willing to take the first step. Now, are you ready to make it happen?